Hey YouTube, welcome back to Crystal's Vanity. This is Crystal, and I'm coming to you guys this morning because I am working on my first charitable venture of the year. Something's in my eye. And I have started to make beanies. And so this was the first one I did. It's a girl's beanie. It's very colorful, as you can see. And then that's the top. And then this is what the inside looks like. So it's pretty good for my first one. I think I did well. I'm proud of myself. So the ones that I want to donate, the ones I want to donate will be darker, more neutral colored. I'm working on a gray and black one now, using some ombre gray yarn. It's acrylic yarn, and then I have this wool black yarn, and so I'm doing them both together, and then that's how you get this grayish blackish thing. So this one's bigger than this one, because like I said, this is like a kid's beanie size, and then this is an adult. So yes, if any of you know, all my eyelashes are falling out. If any of you know of any organizations, veterans, children's hospitals, shelters that I can send beanies to, I'd like to send at least 30 or 40, maybe more. If I, find an organization that I really like, I would just continue to do this throughout the year. I love it. It's pretty easy. It's a lot of fun. The reason I'm coming to you guys on YouTube to ask for help is because online a lot of the information is outdated. It's pre-COVID info, and I know I can't show up to a nice children's hospital with a bunch of beanies and say, hey, here you go. Probably can't even get into the hospital these days unless you're admitted. So if you have any info, please leave a comment, leave a message some kind of way, get in touch with me, send smoke signals, so I can send these beanies off. It doesn't matter what color. I have more yarn coming today, so it doesn't matter what color they're looking for. Just get the information to me and I will get the beanies out. This is just my action of love. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Y'all have a good day.